Alright guys, what I got for you real quick today is actually a quick little video on how to change the utility blade in a box cutting knife or utility knife. I've got two styles here, the long slender style. You gotta watch out for those will nick you up real quickly. But then I've got the traditional box cutter. This one is just absolutely ridiculously easy. So I got a pack of 5 blades here. Just press this lever up. It's going to go ahead and break the utility knife in half. It's going to just pivot down here. You can see the inside workings of the utility knife, and you can see what happens is when you suppress that, the blade comes in and out. The beauty about these is they're reversible. So you just flip that around, stick it right back in there, and you'd be ready to go. You got to watch those two little grooves. But in this case, I've gone ahead and burnt through both ends. So we're going to go ahead and put a brand new one in there just to be safe. And like I said, you're gonna see the two little grooves there. You're gonna find this nice little spot right there. I like to do a quick little test, make sure I'm sliding nice and neat in there. Sometimes when it comes together, the screws, it'll kind of jump on you and the knife will kind of come out. But yeah, so there you go. She's already closed, locked and loaded. And I've got a brand new box cutting utility blade in these. This one's not as fun, but the amazing part about this is if you've already bought these, you already have I'm sure you already have a nice little cartridge in there. So what it actually is there's you can store up to 6 blades already up inside here, so you can tell, you can get a good couple inches out of this one. Slide it in there. Of course, if you want to lock it back, you could slide that one back. But we'll go ahead and show you a quick one on how to break this one apart too. So we're just gonna pop that little back part off. It's gonna come off into the slide's gonna go ahead and pop off as well. Make sure you don't drop none of these around there. So yeah, we're gonna pop this out. Like I said, you can see the cool little cartridge. We got 4 blades already in here. Yeah, so typically what we kind of need to do is, if you want to pop one out, they got this little catch right there. Pull that out, and then I like to go ahead and slide that one that we want out of there. Of course, a lot of them like to come out together. There is some grease in there, but yeah, so see how the circles aren't matched up with that catch yet. We need to suppress that down there so I can go ahead and work correctly. So now we can see that little catch is good to go in there. The knives are good. Put it back together. Make sure you don't have your hand in here. Nothing worse than popping through, and just by chance that thing kicks out through that, and you're gonna get nicked up real quick. So yeah, we got that back in there. It should catch. It shouldn't slide out on you until the slide goes in there, but better be safe than sorry. So the slide's going to go ahead and get put in there, and yeah, so we're having some catch problems. Of course, that catch in there is right now isn't giving me some trouble. So the quick little thing I do is I like to push that knife, go ahead down in there. So what that does is that catch that we were releasing back is going to go ahead and slide that out, and then I like to push the lever forward. So now that slide is now able to grab one of those knives. Now you can operate it in and out, and it's got a brand new fresh blade in there. You go ahead and pop this one back on there. These sometimes don't go on there nice and easy, but that one did. That's how you exchange a new blade into 2 different styles of box cutting knives. Cool little video. Hope you guys like it. It's a little ridiculous when you think about it, but something you kind of don't think about until that box cutter is not working too well on those boxes when you're moving and it's moving time. So yeah, well, I appreciate you guys' views, and feel free to comment, like, share us, and catch you on for the next video. See you guys.